It's official waterfowl season, and today we're getting wild in the kitchen with Chef Kevin Kavalson from Fire Lake Grill House and Cocktail Bar. And Chef Kevin, as we know, a lot of hunters don't leave the skin on their birds, even though we recommend it.
Yeah.
So today, we came up with a really unique recipe using duck
That's
with
right.
no skin.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a pot pie.
Awesome.
It's kind of a traditional, dish with a twist.
All right, move over, chicken.
All right.
So what are the first steps to getting started?
Well, first we're gonna sweat our duck, and we're gonna add some bacon to that. All right, let's add the duck. All right. So we'll let that just kind of start to sweat a little bit.
Sweat it out.
All right, so now we're gonna add the bacon. We're about halfway cooked with the duck.
As we know, everything's better with bacon.
And that's just gonna add a little smoky.
Deliciousness.
Yeah.
How long does the bacon cook?
Just until the duck is just cooked through. It's just gonna be soft and rendered. Great.
I can smell the bacon.
So we're just gonna take this out. We're gonna be using the same pot to actually sweat our vegetables in too.
How much onion?
That is half a cup.
Half a cup.
And then we have a quarter cup of celery.
Celery chopped.
Quarter cup of diced carrots. If you wanna grab the garlic.
Oh yeah, that's garlic. We're gonna sweat these out as well?
Yep. We're gonna add some Chinese five spice.
All right.
Just about a teaspoon or so.
It smells good.
Then we have some fresh thyme. All right. Next we have some chicken stock here. You want to add 2 ladlefuls. So next we're going to make a roux.
What is roux exactly?
Roux is a French term. It's basically flour and butter. It's
Easy enough.
literally what it is, and it's going to thicken our sauce.
All right.
I'm gonna add that right in. It's kind of like wet cement. So now we can add our duck.
Back in the pot?
Yeah, if you want to pick it, I'll scrape it in there. All right, we're going to mix it now. If you want to add a little salt and pepper.
Sure can. Couple pinches, as always. Time to put the pie together?
Yeah, let's go.
Yes.
All right, so I have this little cast iron vessel here.
Smells so good.
Okay, we're ready to put our pastry on.
I love it.
Our pot, if you want. You want to do it?
Of course I do.
I just want to get this rolled out a little bit thinner.
A little thinner.
Get a little flour on there. Yeah,
Okay.
so just cut a little shape.
Well, now we're doing arts and crafts.
Let's see how you did.
How'd I do?
Oh,
Wow.
we're just gonna press that down a little bit. Little holes, it'll look nice and also let kind of some of the steam. If you want to brush some of the egg wash on there.
Is it ready for the oven?
It is, so at this point, everything inside is hot and good to go, so all we need to do is crisp up the top and we'll be done. So I'd say 10 minutes at the most.
At what temperature?
425.
425. All right. She's ready.
Whoa, that looks great.
Look at that. Comfort food at its finest.
Yeah.
I am digging in here.
Yum.
This looks so delicious. Outstanding. All right, hunters. If you got duck in your freezer, you're gonna definitely want to try duck pot pie. So good.